I once again welcome you all to the next session on the subject engineering graphics. You can go to the description below to see all the related videos of the subject. Now in this case we are going to solve this problem on isometric projections. These are the given views of the object. This is front view of the object and this is top view of the object. So as we see here, we have to convert these orthographic projections into isometric view. Okay, you can refer my previous video where I constructed a box like structure with the given front view and top view. Okay, now the problem statement may be something like this: draw isometric projections for the given orthographic projections taking O as origin. Okay, now if you refer previous video, actually I had constructed a box in that case, and that box is slightly visible here as we see here because I wanted to use the same dimensions for this particular video. So I just removed that part, and now we are going to construct the isometric view for this given object. Now if you try to imagine the object, you will find that front view is something like this. Okay, which means that there is a base plate of 10 mm thickness at this end, and this part is having certain height which is 40 mm, and if you will see in top view, you can see this part is having uniform thickness. This part is having uniform thickness throughout, which is of 20 mm, and this base plate has a thickness of 10 mm. Okay, so let us start constructing this particular isometric view. So we have to first take origin somewhere and draw three axes: length axis, depth axis and height axis. Okay, as we see here, the previous object was having same dimensions, so I have already marked 60 mm along length axis, then this 50 mm along depth axis and 40 mm along height axis. Okay, now we see here up to this particular length, so out of this 60 we see 20 mm length is some heighted here, is having certain height here, but the remaining length, which is 40 mm, is having thickness of only 10 mm. Okay, so we start constructing that part by taking 10 mm height from this bottom point from origin. So this is 10 mm height taken here, and that 10 mm height is also uniform throughout the width. Okay, so we need to draw one line parallel to this, which will give that required thickness of 10 mm. Okay, so I have drawn that line at 10 mm height, and then this part is to be made thick because it is visible. Okay, now from here we see that this base part is having that length equal to 40 mm. So from here now go 40 mm to the right, okay, which is parallel to this particular edge. So I am just drawing a line parallel to this edge, like that is this isometric axis. Okay, and is going parallel to this. Okay, and along this now we have to mark 40 mm. So I am just marking now 40 mm along this particular line. Okay, so this is the way that 40 mm length is marked. And now as we see here, once we come to this point, from here the part is having certain heighted portion. Okay, so that height reaches to the top. So from here this remaining 40 mm, now I had already constructed the box. If that box is not constructed, then from here I can take remaining height, that is equal to 40 mm. I'm sorry, that is 30 mm, because 10 mm goes here, so remaining is the 30 mm. So from here now we have to go vertically up by 30 mm. Okay, so as we see here, this is the remaining height 30 mm, and now this part is having this surface. As we see here, this is a plane surface which is at a height 40 mm. So this is a plane surface at a height 40, that is 40 mm. Okay, and in front view as we see, so this part is seen. So if you see now in front view, you will get this kind of shape. Okay, but in top view it is of width equal to 50 mm. Okay, so now from here we have to go to construct in such a way that we get that required width of 50 mm, 50 mm. Okay, so now I am giving this width to the object by drawing a line parallel to this. Just one line is drawn parallel to this, and now I am giving that uniform width or depth to this object. Okay, and from here again that object is to be made with uniform thickness. So for this now I am drawing this vertical line. So as we see here, how I am giving this height to the object. Okay, so as we see, this part is having such a shape in front view, but in top view if you see, you get these two rectangles. So this one rectangle and this second rectangle. Okay, these two are the rectangles which are seen in top view. So I am just constructing that part. And again, in this particular object, all the edges are isometric lines and isometric axis. There is no edge which is non-isometric line. Okay, so this is the way you can see the final edge I am drawing now. So as we see here, this is the way the object is constructed. So it is something like one base plate here and one another certain portion having certain height equal to 30 mm. So we can see now, if you look at this object in this direction, then you will get front view like this, and if you look at the object from top, you will get this rectangle which is seen here, and we see this another rectangle which is seen here. So this is the way given orthographic projections are transferred into this isometric projections. I hope you understood this object. Thank you for your patient